In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share files on the Google Drive mobile app. So I've already got the app open and I'm logged in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Files in the bottom right hand corner. This will show you any existing folders and files you already have. Now if you want to share multiple files, what I recommend you do is go to the plus icon in the bottom right, then click on Create Folder. Here you can give this folder a name. I'm just going to call it Files. Then we can go ahead and create that folder. And as you can see, it's at the top here. If we click on that folder, it will then take us inside of it. Now we can click again on the plus icon. You can then click Upload File, then click on Browse. That will then access your phone's files, and you can go ahead and search for it and then select the files. I'm just going to select these 3 files that happen to be here, and then we can go ahead and click Open in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and confirm the upload by clicking Upload in the top right hand corner. Then depending on your internet speed, it will upload the files. To share them, again, you need to be in the folder. So I'm in the files folder right now. We then need to go to the 3 lines in the top right hand corner. Then we can go ahead and click on Share. Now there are 2 ways that we can share. We can share via a link, or we can go ahead and invite people. Now you can enter in anyone's email address here, and then you can choose from this drop down whether you want them to be an editor, commenter or viewer. I'm going to keep this on editor, and you can then go ahead and send that in the bottom right hand corner, and that will send them an invite via their email. If you wanted to share this via a link, go to the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, then click Manage Access, and then here you've got a link icon in the top right which you can click on. Do note though, if it is unrestricted, they will still need to be approved by you. If you want them to always have access without you being there to approve it, click Unrestricted and change this to anyone with the link. Now once you click on the paperclip icon in the top right and you send this link, they will then be able to click on it and access the files.